This is a brief tutorial to explain to you how to do the Blogger Comments assignment. So if you go to our calendar and make sure you're in February and then go to February 10th and click on Blogger Profiles, if you click View Item, this will be where you will find everybody's Blogger profile. So you click on that. Now, here's the assignment that you have to do. If you click on today's assignment, it tells you right here. So you are going to be reviewing other classmates' blog reviews. So you have to choose 4 of your classmates' blogs that reviewed an app or extension that you would actually see yourself using. So when you're on this list, if you click on one that you're not going to use, then it's not going to be helpful for this assignment. In the comment section of their blog, provide a compliment about their review that starts with, "It was helpful that you." So for example, let's say that I am in Lexi's blog here, and I click comments, and then I say, Lexi, this review was helpful because I learned about Memrise as a review app or extension. And if you go back to the assignment, it says that you have to show 2 specific ways you could see yourself using this app or extension. So then you, in the comments, would say 2 ways I could see myself using this app or extension, and then put them in there. And then you want to, well, I'll put them in there because otherwise it's not going to show you the thing I want to show you. 2 ways I could see myself using this app or extension would be to review vocabulary when I am teaching myself a new language, and also to help students who need review with vocabulary. And then the last part of this review you have to do is, next time it would be helpful if you would also. All right, and then if you go up here and find something that you would find helpful, so maybe another screenshot. All right, you are not to copy what I just had in my review. You have to come up with your own thing. So then I click Publish. Now, here's what the important thing you need to do is, because otherwise you're not going to be doing this correctly and you won't get credit for it. If I were to just take this URL and I were to tweet it out, do you see how long this is? This is not the correct URL, okay? So what you need to do is you need to go back to this and you need to find the one that you reviewed and you need to copy it, and then you need to say student review of app for an extension, and then you put that in there. Do you see how much shorter that is? That's the correct link. Do not do the other one. Then you need to hashtag digcit, then you need to hashtag review, hashtag blog, and then let's see, let's hashtag this. What I'm doing is I'm getting this out to a bunch of other states that have their state's hashtag for their chats for educators. So let's make sure that these are the hashtags that you have on there. So you want to hashtag DigCit, review, blog, New York education, Connecticut education, New Hampshire education, New Jersey education, Oklahoma ed, Michigan education, and then GAF chat. And that's really important because if you'll notice over here, this is where the GAF chat, all the things having to do with Google Apps for Education. So then you need to tag me, okay? And then you want to go ahead and tweet that out, okay? And you'll notice it popped up right here. So I'm going to be able to find your blog, your tweets about the blogs with your comments in them, both in the GAF chat and in my notifications, because you will have tagged me and you will have hashtag GAF chat. So please make sure you take care of doing all of those things for this assignment. And then if you go back, all of the other things that you have to do for this assignment are going to be in this set of directions. So look back at the set of directions to make sure that you have all of the directions that you need. Right now, I don't have the hashtags in there that you have to put, but I will put them in there. So let me know if you have any questions.